Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding and Resolving Inconsistent Module Location in Python and Jupyter Notebook. Introduction. In Python and Jupyter Notebook environments, it's not uncommon to encounter issues related to inconsistent module locations. This problem arises when the interpreter or kernel cannot locate the required Python module, leading to import errors. In this tutorial, we'll explore the common causes of inconsistent module location and provide solutions to address them. Common causes of inconsistent module location: working directory discrepancy, virtual environments, Jupyter Notebook cell execution order, Python path configuration. Solutions: check and set working directory, activate virtual environment, manage cell execution order in Jupyter Notebook, adjust Python path. Example: let's consider a scenario where we have a module named example_module in the directory /path/to/your/modules. We'll create a Jupyter Notebook and demonstrate how to address inconsistent module location. By following these steps, you can ensure a consistent module location, mitigating import errors in your Python scripts and Jupyter Notebooks. ChatGPT. Title: Understanding and Resolving Inconsistent Module Location in Python and Jupyter Notebooks. Python is a versatile programming language widely used for various applications, including data science and machine learning. Jupyter Notebooks provide an interactive environment for writing and running Python code. However, users may encounter issues related to inconsistent module locations where Python or Jupyter Notebook cannot find the desired module or package. In this tutorial, we'll explore common reasons for inconsistent module location and provide solutions to resolve these issues. Understanding module search path. Common causes of inconsistent module location. Resolving inconsistent module location issues. Code examples. A. Example 1, virtual environments. B. Example 2, project structure. C. Example 3, installing missing packages. D. Example 4, Python version mismatch. Conclusion. Inconsistent module location issues can be frustrating, but a good understanding of Python's module search path and awareness of common causes can help resolve these issues effectively. By following the provided solutions and examples, you can ensure a smooth development experience in both Python scripts and Jupyter Notebooks. Remember to maintain proper project structures, use virtual environments, and install necessary packages to avoid module location headaches in your Python projects. ChatGPT.